హలో ఎవ్రీవన్ వెల్కమ్ టు సుమన్ టీవీ. ప్రస్తుతం నేను జైపూర్లో ఉన్న జేకేఎల్ యూనివర్సిటీలో ఉన్నాను. మనతో పాటు డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫ్ అడ్మిషన్స్ అండ్ అవుట్ రీచెస్ జేకేఎల్ యూనివర్సిటీ హసీం పట్నాకర్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఆయన అడిగి అసలు ఇక్కడ ఎటువంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ జరుగుతాయి, యూనివర్సిటీ గురించి, క్యాంపస్ గురించి, ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ గురించి అండ్ ఐటీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ గురించి అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం రండి. Hi sir,
Hi,
how are you?
doing great.
So actually, when I entered the JKL University, I felt so positive aura because it's a lush green campus and the infrastructure is super. So many people want to pursue IIT, but because of the JEE mains and there are people who writes like lakhs people,
16 lakh people
16 lakh
write the
people
exam,
will
yes.
write and only
16,000
thousand
seats.
seats. So it's almost the ratio is too high. So what I want to say, there is a beautiful, amazing program you people having semester exchange program with IITs. Can you please elaborate it, sir?
Yeah, it is a very unique program and only the program which we run across the country. So this program here, the students have a choice. That is, first 2 years they have to study with us, and third and fourth year they can pursue their education from the IITs. IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Jammu, IIT Bhilai, Jodhpur, Ropar, Triple IT Hyderabad, Triple IT Delhi. So many students, they already go to IITs. Many times we face this apprehensions from the parents and the students also that, sir, if we go to IIT, what you're teaching here might be different in IIT is
Yeah,
different.
the curriculum and the syllabus,
Exactly.
is it
So how will
difficult,
the
sir?
transition be?
Hmm.
So in that case, I'd like to tell that the syllabus and the courses are mapped with IIT.
Wow.
So the students who study here, once they go to IIT, they don't feel any kind of pressure or any kind of problem. The performance, what they are giving there in IITs is at par with the IIT students.
So do they get any certificates or memos from IIT universities?
Students study, they stay there and study with the existing batch.
Okay.
So they also write the examinations.
Mhm.
So they get the transcripts.
Oh, does
And
it
that
matter?
transcripts is attached with the degree.
Wow, does it matter in their resume, sir? It have a some
Yes,
weightage?
definitely. It is.
Oh, nice.
It is there that the entire transcript says that the student has attended that kind of program in IIT, and these are the marks.
So many Telugu students really want to pursue IIT,
Right.
but as the seats are limited, it is very tough. So dreams are becoming like a dreams itself. So if we join in JKL University, they can pursue their dream.
Definitely, it is quite a high chance for the
Yes.
students to get into IIT here.
Okay.
Only mantra here I would like to say is that again they have to work hard.
So do we have any scholarships for the students?
Exactly. We give around 100% scholarship to the students, right? There are certain slabs like in JEE examination.
If they get 95% above,
95%
100%
but the
scholarship.
100% scholarship will give.
Okay. And I heard, sir, usually nowadays students, they really want to set up a startup business or entrepreneurship. They're so much interested nowadays.
Yes.
To get a job, more than to get a job, they wanted to give a job. So in that aspect, students are just evolving. So is there any support you're giving in according to their wishes, startup companies, and are you going to support them in their innovative ideas and creative thoughts?
We also believe in making people or adding extra R to them. Like from employee, which is E, we want to make them employer. That is adding the extra. For that, we have Atal Incubation Center here, which is supported by the Niti Aayog, Government of India. And the work of this Atal Incubation Center is to incubate the ideas of the students. Every students come up with their own ideas and then they give the idea to the Atal Incubation Center. First of all, they see that whether that idea is workable or not. If it is workable, it is incubated and the funding is provided by the Niti Aayog. So around 83 startups already AIC has done, and around 15 crore funding they have already given.
All the parents and the students think about the faculty and what are their qualifications and all. So can you please explain about the faculty here?
Yeah, see, the faculties here to teach the students on IITs, they should have something which is relevant. So obviously the faculties that we have are all from IITs are all experienced, well experienced.
So, what about the accommodation and the food facilities? Because our Telugu states students are fond of food. So, North India में नहीं मिलेगा food करके ये होता है.
The accommodation here, we have a separate hostel for boys and girls.
So, in campus.
In campus
Oh, very
hostels are
good.
there. As far as food is concerned, we already have so many students from the southern states. So we have southern food also as well as northern food. So food is not at all a problem here. We have a clubs also. Different clubs are there for the students from the states of Telangana and Andhra. We are having a separate clubs.
Okay.
So these clubs always celebrate their own native festivals here. So that is also one of the beauty, and all the students participate. It's not about only the students from the
Telugu
these
states,
Telugu states
it's a
are here.
multi-cultures they are
Exactly.
building up, and
People from northeast, people from maybe a UP region, Rajasthan, Himachal, Punjab, so all
Wow.
Delhi and all, so many.
so they get
people
an
are
exposure to so many
there.
states.
Exactly,
and,
so many cultures, so
cultures.
many kind of languages, so many different kind of foods. Their parents come, they bring something for them, so everybody shares. So all these things are happening.
And the main part is, what about the placements here, sir? I heard a lot of companies have been collaborated with this, and so many people, and each and every student just going out of the campus, they'll hold a job offer letter and they'll go. What is the
See, as far as the placement is concerned, placements have been really fabulous. With the students having so much of experience, so much of exposure, studying in IITs and all, and then here also the students who are there in campus who may not get the chance to get into IITs, they also are being mentored here by the faculties. Internship, whenever we are giving, it is a paid internships.
Wow.
So
So they
many
get a
students-
stipend.
Yeah, get a stipend. Many students also get absorbed in the companies where they do the internship. They get the offer letters. Means depends on the student whether they want to accept it or not.
So nowadays in future, everything is based on skill. So skill based jobs are there. How are you developing communication skills and all? What are the programs? And I heard there is a triple CT, Center for Communication and Critical Thinking. So what is it all about?
We prepare the student that they should ask the questions, because until and unless they ask, they won't be coming to know about it. So that is what the critical thinking teaches. Then there are a lot of different things. Communication they teach how to think critically. They teach even the develop the camaraderie spirit amongst the students, to when they are tomorrow going to any of the corporate, they may find people from different cultures, from different backgrounds. Somebody may be senior, somebody might be junior. So office etiquettes, all of so many things they teach there. So the students become a kind of ready-made material.
So
Yeah.
it happens for every semester, it seems, sir.
Yes, it is a blended course.
And one more thing, what about the education loan, sir? I heard that some lakhs can be given without any assurity and without any collateral.
Education loans, we are having a tie-up with different banks. So education loan is available, not a problem at all. Most of the students, they, even if the money is there, but they take the loan because they get the advantage also.
Okay.
Parents get advantage. So
Definitely. So everything is fabulous, sir. So at the end, what do you want to say to our Telugu states or the students across India to welcome them to the JKL University?
definitely, I like to welcome all of you, all the students, whosoever is watching the video. Please do come and visit us with your parents, and definitely we are there to fulfill your dream. We are there with you, and I can assure that once you are passing out from here, you will definitely have a different kind of career and different you will find yourself. Whatever you are there right now, after 4 years, it will be a totally different you. More confident, more enterprising, and ready to take the jobs.
సో చూసారు కదా, నిజంగానే అడ్మిషన్స్ ఓపెన్ అయిపోయాయి. ఇప్పుడు బోల్డ్ అన్ని విషయాలు మాట్లాడుకున్నాము. కింద స్క్రోల్ అవుతున్న నంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి అండ్ జేకేఎల్ యూనివర్సిటీలో అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకోండి. మీ డ్రీమ్స్ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేసుకోండి. హ్యావ్ ఏ బ్రైట్ ఫ్యూచర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, సార్.
Thank you.